Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English School. Dear students, now I am going to conduct a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 6. And today we will discuss about chapter 1 CQ, that means creative question number 2. So let's try to solve this. Dear students, for solving any creative question, you have to follow some criteria. That means in this page I have written that creative question, then this is answers, these 3 page contents. Before writing a creative question, first of all you need to read the whole STEM or text, what you say doesn't matter, carefully, because by depending on this STEM you have to write everything, especially C and D, totally by depending on this STEM. So you should very careful on reading this STEM, and after reading this STEM you will have to write answer to the question 1, then it may be 1, 2, 3, 4. After finishing this, you will write A like at the middle. Okay? Imagine that you have written A here. Then the teacher does not notice it. So it would be very much bad for you. But if you write it at the middle, so it would be very much easy to notice that it's number A's answer. And then B write A like this, then C A like this, then D A like this. So and after writing, after finishing one answer, then give at least 2 fingers space for writing another answer. So by doing this, it would be very much good to look at. And after that, number A and number B is very much tiny. Number A especially contains only 1 line or at best 2 lines, and number B contains 3, 4 lines or more. And in number C you will get 2 para. Okay, these 2 para contains one from the STEM and another from STEM related thing. Question arises on which topic, from that topic. That means from C you have to give 2 paras. So by doing this, it will be very much to look at, and along with your discussion regarding the question would be very much easier, and the teacher also would be very much pleased by seeing these 2 kind of para of your C answer. And dear students, now come at D. You know that task D contains 4 marks, so its value is very much. So in task D you will have to give 3 paras. Number 1 para contains the exact answer, and then after that the paragraph at the middle, that means this paragraph expresses the answer regarding the STEM, and the last para of D expresses the answer regarding regarding this STEM and your textbook altogether. That means part D's last paragraph contains the answer of D regarding question and regarding your information of your textbook. So this is all about all the rules and regulations of writing creative questions. I hope after that, after finishing this question, we will follow this instruction in writing other creative questions. So let's continue, or let's start the STEM. Count Cavour is the father of modern Italy. He had the greatest contribution to achieve independence and unity of Italy. On the contrary, Joseph Mazzini organized the Italian youth power, defying the fear of torture, injustice, imprisonment. The young generation joined his association. Under his leadership, a great awakening took place among the people of Italy. This is all about the esteem. The esteem is about two great leaders of Italy and another from other country. Another country. Okay. So number one leader is Count Cavour, and the other leader, he is also from Italian. Okay, he is called Joseph Mazzini. They both are in the same country, from the same country. So this is about the esteem. That means these two leaders called for freedom, and they by their calling, young men raised their hand and joined with them. So this is all about. And now come at question number A. What is the distance between East Pakistan and West Pakistan in miles? That means what is the distance? So in number A, answer write like this. Answer to the question number 2, then A at the middle, or B at the middle, C middle, D at the middle. Okay. So the A's answer, the distance between East Pakistan and West Pakistan is 1200 meters. Okay, 1200 meters. Then number B, why did Bengali from all walks of life get united against the government of Pakistan? Explain. That means why Bengali got united against Pakistani rulers. You will have to explain it. So although you will have to explain it, so from this point of view, it's clear to you that it would be very quite longer. This is B, so you will write B like this. Bengalis were exploited by the Pakistani rulers by many forms. Okay, that means in many forms they exploited Bengalis. Then they first snatched the right to use the mother language of Bengalis, Bangla in offices. That means they compelled Bengalis not to talk Bangla at offices. Then they deprived them of their socio-economic rights. That means the Pakistani rulers deprived Bengalis from Bengalis socio-economic rights. And after that, besides, they spread rumor about Bengalis culture and tried to destroy them. They also destroyed our Bengalis culture also. For all these reasons, Bengalis got united against the region of Pakistan. Okay? This is all about B. Dear students, now part C. D must be contained in one paragraph, but sometimes it may be in two paragraphs, but C simply contains two paragraphs. Okay. And number C, the image of which great leader is noticed in Count Harbour. That means what is written about Count Harbour, whose image of our country is reflected here. So you will write C like this at the middle, and then the answer would be like this. In the esteem, the image of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is noticed in Count Harbour. That means in the characteristics of Count Harbour, we find the image of our great leader of freedom fighter, of our great freedom, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. He was a valiant, self-sacrificing and visionary leader. This is about our Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. His leadership united the Bengalis and encouraged them to fight for their independence. Okay? That means by his leadership we got our independence. For non-cooperative movement to the liberation where the role of Bangabandhu is noteworthy. That means his contribution was really great. Dear students, you follow this, that in this paragraph we have given the exact answer. That means whose image is reflected In this stream we have written only that. But in this paragraph, in the second paragraph of C, we will elaborate, or we will mixture, or we will combine the information of what we have written in first paragraph and the information regarding the stream. Okay? So here what I have written. Similarly, in the stream, the role of Count Ferber is also notable, who is the father of modern Italy. Okay? Then he also united and led the Italians to fight for their free independence. Okay? Like Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The same way, Bangabandhu had made the Bengalis aware of their rights. What I told, the second line tells about the deeds of this Count Ferber, and the line following it tells about the similar activities done or rendered by our great leader Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. That means here is the combination of the answer of C. In the historic 7 March, he united the Bengalis and ordered them to begin their fight for their independence. And at last, for all these, it can be said that the image of Bangabandhu is reflected in Count Ferber. This is actually written here that this paragraph is the combination of C's both stream and from your knowledge of textbook. Okay? This is all about C. And for writing D, dear students, I told you that you will have to give 3 paras. And these 3 paras contains different notion of writing the answer. So let's read what is written in the question. This type of activities done by that great leader Mazzini urged in the independence of Bangladesh. Okay? Evaluate. That means here the leadership or activities of Joseph Mazzini is reflected here. Which activities or who from our country has rendered such kind of words, that we will have to write here. So we will answer it like this. Like the leadership of Joseph Mazzini, the leadership of Bangabandhu had helped Bangladesh to earn its independence. Dear friends, I told you at the beginning of D, we will have to write the exact answer. It would be short, but here would be the exact answer. Sometimes in D, you will get that in question something arises like this, whether you are agree or not. But from that cases, you also will have to give such kind of paragraph, and then you have to give that you are agree or not in the first paragraph of D. So like this I have done in D here. Then in the next paragraph what I have written, Joseph Mazzini had united the young of Italy, defying the fear of torture, then injustice, then imprisonment. Then his association was finally succeed. That means they did not fear about the torture, the injustice, the imprisonment, etc. Okay? And finally his association got succeed. His leadership created awareness of rights among the people of Italy. As the same way our great leaders Bangabandhu's awareness created public awareness of our country, and through which we got our independence. Just like the way Bangabandhu had united the young in 1971, well, what I told, that is written here. So you can see that here it's also combined. In short, it's combined, and here it would be elaborated. This paragraph's elaboration would be here. Okay? So let's read what is written here. The Pakistani rulers exploited the Bengalis of East Pakistan since the inception. Inception means the beginning, the birth, the starting of Pakistan in 1947. You know that Pakistan begins or starts from 1947. Okay. They deprived Bengalis of their socio-economic and political rights. In this regard, Bangabandhu made the people aware of their rights and united them for the independence of the country. Okay? This is actually the elaboration of this second paragraph. After 9 months long bloody war, the Bengalis achieved victory on 16th December 1971. Okay? In the concluding sentence, that means this is the ending sentence. I have written here in the concluding sentence or at the end of this paragraph of this answer, we can say, you may write like this. We can say after giving comma, Bangladesh liberated herself. Bangladesh liberated herself under the leadership of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Okay, dear students, this is all about task D. And another important topic for writing my creative question for class 6 is that number A and B would be very much tiny, and number C will contains at least one page if your handwriting is medium, at least one page, and D would be more than one page if your handwriting is medium. And dear students, you have homework. It's homework number 5. Chapter 1, creative question 2C. That means this C is your homework and submission date 6 March 2021. Dear students, this is very much easiest topic, and I actually gave you the knowledge about how to write creative question because it is your first class with YouTube class with me to write creative question. I hope you will follow it in writing every creative questions, and if you follow it, then writing creative question would be very much easier for you. And for your better understanding, watch the video again and again, read textbook. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum.